start.
Hello, I'm Officer Knights. We will learn about Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle is a triangular array of the binomial coefficients. It therefore has concepts of permutations and combinations. As you know, the sum of two numbers combine together to form a new value. You know the concepts of factorial where it begins with the least number. There is a difference between NPR and NCR. NPR is a permutation value, equal to n factorial divided by n minus r in the entire factorial. Whereas NCR is a combination value, equal to n factorial divided by r factorial times n minus r in the entire factorial. 1 with the absence of r factorial is in the permutation value. It is not necessary when permutation is equal to combination value. For example, let n equals 4 and r equals 0. The value of permutation is 4p0, equal to 24 divided by 24 equals 1. Whereas the value of combination is 4c0, equal to 24 divided by 1 times 24, equals 1. That is the same value as permutation. But, if we change from r equals 4, we get the permutation value 4p4 equals 24 divided by 1, equals 24. Also the combination value 4c4, equals 24 divided by 1 times 24, equals 1. So, 24 is not equal to 1. We can consider any word, for example, making anagrams, like listen, turns into silent. The word listen consists of 6 letters, and we can interchange in many ways. That is 6 factorial, equals 720 ways. As you know, English letters consist up to 26 of them. How many valid words you make without repeating some letters? You can learn from the English assistant. Let's find that guy. Who are you?
I'm Styx, the badger.
Do you know about the anagrams?
Yep. Meeting you for the first time. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once.
Alright, give an example of an anagram.
Okay, let's consider the two words schoolmaster. Now, when we rearrange the letters, I could say, the classroom. There are 12 letters, you can accept space. How many ways are formed?
That will be 12 factorial ways, but it would tend to have a huge number.
Are you a mathematician master?
Yes, Styx.
What's your name?
I'm Knights the Nightmaren.
Thanks for discussing me about anagrams.
Okay, see you soon. Like, comment, and subscribe now.